Hello, how are you? Today I am going to show you a new brand Echo Dot. In my research Star Wars bundle includes Echo Dot 5th Gen 2023 release, charcoal in the limited edition. Star Wars Darth Vader stand is one of the best from other. Let's go watch the video why it is best. Echo Dot 5th Gen 2023 release, charcoal in the limited edition. Star Wars Darth Vader stand. Enjoy an improved audio experience compared to any previous Echo Dot. With Alexa for clearer vocals, deeper bass and vibrant sound in any room. It has various content such as play music, audiobooks, and podcasts from Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify and others or via Bluetooth throughout your home. Ask Alexa for weather updates and to set hands-free timers. Get answers to your questions, and even hear jokes. Need a few extra minutes in the morning? Just tap your Echo Dot to snooze your alarm. The Darth Vader stand eyes will light up when the Echo Dot is placed in the stand, and Alexa's name is called. Can be easily placed on a table, desk, or nightstand. You can buy it without hesitation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video ministrant, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.